name is Hasan Çaki. I am electronics engineer. I have been dealing with textile machinery since more than 27 years, and I worked for many years for worldwide well-known company Sukemula Hakoba. When the company is closed, we established our own business, ProTechnik, and by the help of our German engineers, we also start the same range, Sukemula range in Turkey by the name of PRO-SMH. Now we are dealing with textile machineries. First of all, I will say we have about 30 years experience in this field, and we are producing everything under German technology and German design. This is another big advantage, and we have sustainable solutions for the customers, and we have a very strong service team, we can say, and we are also having a Industry 4.0 based programs, Unix software. So these are all the biggest advantage for the customers. We have a sustainable solutions for the customers. For example, we are having ultrasonic boxes where you can get, instead of 40 meter, only 4 meter sustainable trough. And we have automatic speed synchronization. We have also calibration and maintenance free tension measuring system. These are all the Unix software for customer service. Textile industry is growing because world population also is growing. But there are two important issues. One of them is the water consumption is too high, and to find the skilled people also is quite difficult. That is the reason our all sustainable solutions are depend on these two topics. So now in the system we like to integrate the artificial intelligence to find better solutions, and we will be market leader very soon. As one of the people who love Lenze the most, I am considered as honorary employee for Lenze. With we can say maximum support, sincere support. Because of that, it's a very pleasure to me to use Lenze products for all our applications.